What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Listen up. I gave you guys a video the other day about how to only trade SPY, or how you could only trade SPY every single day and be profitable at it. So what I've decided to do, I want to do a daily video and review SPY every single day with you guys to show you how you can make money every single day on SPY. Now, this strategy is super easy. It involves using the 30-minute chart and trading into time frame continuity. It's basically what the Strat is all about. And if you go look up in this top corner, that was the video I gave out just a couple days ago. And that video is hopefully going to lead you guys to profitability in trading SPY. So September 13th, let's go through the trades today and see how you guys would have done on SPY. Okay, so the very first 30-minute bar that we have, 7:30 my time, Mountain Time, that's when this bar opens. And there's two things that you need to notice about this whole setup here. Number one, we have a red candle, but it's a shooter candle or an inverse hammer, which is a bearish pattern, and it's red. Okay, and we have this time frame continuity, the hourly, the daily, and the weekly. Now, I don't really care. Let me find what I was looking for here. I don't really care about these. Okay? That week, that month, that quarterly, and the yearly, I don't really care. I need to see this hourly and this daily play out for me, okay? So when we look at this bar, we're looking, and I've just gone on replay here, we're looking for the break to the bottom side of this bar. Now, if it would have broke to the upside, the hourly and the daily would have been green, and we could have taken that trade. But I'm looking for the break of this opening range 30-minute bar. And where does it go? Right there. Okay, I'm going to take this red line over here. Now, there's two ways we can do this. We can either make our stop loss at the top of this candle, now that we've gone through and hit our first target, or we can put it at the trigger. If you put it at the trigger, you at least know that you're getting out of this trade even outside of the fees that it costs you to make that trade. Okay, so let's see what happens on the next bar. There we have it. Okay, we've come through that first target, and now we've come through that second target, and we made profit. Now, there's, again, some different spots you can put this. You can put this at this target. You can put it at this target. If you had it at this second target down here, right here, you would have been out of this trade because it reversed back through that second target, and you would have been out with profit, and you would have had an excellent, excellent trade. Okay, the other place, put it at the 50% marker of this bar. Okay, and that way, if it trends back up through that 50%, you know you're still leaving with a really, really good amount of profit. And what do we see here still is this hourly and this daily are still red. Okay, we go to the next candle. What happens? We continue down further and we hit this third target. Okay, so now where do we put our stop loss? You can put your stop loss at the top of the candle, at this target, or this target. Me, I'm putting it at the target because I know if it breaks back through that range, I'm leaving that trade with a really good amount of profit on this trade. You're already, if you took profit anywhere in here regardless, this is a really, really great trade for you, from $400.81 to $98. Okay, that is a phenomenal trade when you're trading put options on SPY. So the next candle, okay, I would have had my stop loss there. It comes back up, and you're out of this trade. Or, if you had it at the top of the candle, you're still in this trade, okay? And you've come through this next target. So again, you can leave your stop loss now at that target or at this target. And if it's at this target, well, you've already come back through it and you're done. So let's say you leave it at that target there and see where the next bar comes up. And you're down, and you've come back up through. You're out of that trade. There's your first trade of the day, guys, on SPY. And if you don't want to, you don't have to trade anymore. This would have been more than enough. Even on a single contract, if you would have bought this at, you know, what's your strike price going to be at 481? You're looking at 400 or 399. Your gain on this is probably 30% plus is what you're looking at. Okay, so now we just continue on through the day. If you want to take another trade, let's see what happens. Outside bar, inside bar. Then the next one is a 2 up off of this 3-1 setup. Now, would you take this play? You can, but you're going against the time frame continuity, which is one of the key pieces that I said you needed in order to make this trade. Now, if you would have taken this trade, you still would have won. Okay, but it's not part of the strategy that I'm using on this 30-minute chart for SPY. So let's go up to the next candle. We're still up, but we finished red. The next candle, drop back down, okay? So, what are we looking at here now? We have this trigger. We have a 2 up and then another 2 up that finished red. Here's our 2-2 reversal, hourly and the daily. Okay, they're both red. I just talked about this trade in my Discord. Okay, and I said because SPY was so far gone at this point to the downside, I think it was at like 3%. I said I would be very cautious of how much further SPY is going to go on the day. I wouldn't risk a whole lot of money. Okay, so there was the trigger. That first candle goes down. Now you have options here. I'm going to take some of these out just so we're not crowded. That target's good. Sorry guys, let me go back here. And we're good the rest of the way. Okay. So where is your stop loss going now? There's a few places that you could have it. You want to hold it here? I wouldn't. I would put it at this target, or at this target. Now, I will say when this price hit what are we at here? 397.75. And actually, when it hit 397.97 at this range, we were past that 3% or into that 3% range, and I said, guys, I would probably get out of this trade here. And that's fine. You still would have had really, really good gains here. But if you listen to the candlesticks, regardless of what the price did on the day, like right now, SPY is moving into a minus 4% range, which is not very common at all for SPY. And that's why I said when we were at 3%, it's something that would deter me from getting into this trade or watching this trade go longer than I think it should. And that's why when we hit the first target, I said I would take your profits there and get out. And that's fine if you did, and I'm happy with that. I'm okay with that. If you let it run, congratulations and good for you. So this bar is open still. We are still trading. There's about 38 minutes left in the trading day. You can put your stop losses at any one of these targets, guys. And if it were me, I would have it at that target right there, at that 397.60 range, in case this runs back up to the upside. So 2 opportunities on SPY today to make really, really great money day trading. If you took both of them, great. If you took one of them, congratulations. If you didn't take any of them, watch for them on Wednesday. We're going to do the same thing again on Wednesday. We're going to watch SPY on the 30-minute chart, and we're going to take some trades, and we're hopefully going to leave winners because we are playing probabilities, guys. And that's all the strat is. We are playing the probability of us winning, and that's all you can ask for. That's all you can do. If you guys want to stick around, I will stick around for the next... What do we have on this bar till it closes here? Let's go right. There we go. Okay, I just went into the next bar. The next 2 bars. I thought this was still going. Okay, so here's the thing. Now you can move your stop losses down. That we've gone even further. Even further. This would have been a phenomenal trade. Phenomenal. Let me move that down. Let's take this stop loss. You can move it there. I wouldn't. You can move it there. Okay, that's probably your better spot. But even if you took it to that target, you would have left this trade with a really, really good amount of money. Now let's just say you were taking the 50% of the bar. Okay, you're still in this trade. Now you move your stop loss to either this target or 50% of this bar here as it comes back through. I'm using the target again. Guys, this was a phenomenal trade. This would have made your day. The first trade would have made your day. 398.40 to 394.84. That's a $3.50 move at the end of the day. That's big time money on an options play. And that's the time I was looking for. There's about 14 minutes left in this candle. I'm going to leave this right now. I'll leave this here with you. You guys come back at the end of the day, see where this would have ended up. And like I said, we're going to do the exact same thing tomorrow. Follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Make sure you're subscribed down below to get more videos just like this one. And watch at the very end. There's more videos to help you learn this strategy and everything that I teach you guys, okay? Discord link down below. Griswold Strat indicator link down below. And everything I offer free or fee-based is located in the Discord. So get in on that Discord. Join us there. And we will see you guys all on the next one. Bye-bye.